welcome to my channel. And yes, I am extremely excited to watch this song because Jay Park and Krishna are two names that I wouldn't have thought that I would see together. So this song is called Asian State of Mind, and this has 5 artists together, 5 artists collaborating together, which I'm guessing are from different nationalities, because for a fact I know Krishna is from India, obviously, and Jay Park is from South Korea, because I listen to a lot of South Korean music, watch a lot of South Korean shows, so I know celebrities from there. So that's why I was like so shocked seeing that, okay, Jay Park, Krishna together in one song, how? But I am so glad to see this kind of collaboration happening. So the other artists are, now I'm gonna butcher these names, guys. Okay, a witch is that how it's pronounced? Because it's on her channel. This is on her channel, so I don't know how her name is pronounced. So it's her plus Masiwei, that's how the name is. Please correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. And Wanda. So these are the 5 artists. So I'm guessing they are from obviously different Asian countries. So we have covered India and South Korea. So I'm guessing, okay, one would be from Japan, China, and other maybe Philippines. I don't know. So we'll have to wait and watch and see from which countries the other 3 artists are. And I am going to now react to the song because it's already 5.5 minutes. Let's go. I'm really excited, guys. Very excited.
Yo, who do you know?
She's from Japan.
My mother, widow, a diligent soldier. Who do you know? Put on for Okinawa in Japan on my shoulder.
Oh,
this
she's
is the
from
moment
Okinawa,
for Kodak.
Japan.
I'm not a model, I am the blueprint. Mr. Miyagi's daughter. Get out my way or hit you with that 2-piece. Guapan is that new slang. Sensei was that Wu-Tang.
I already like her cadence.
We give it back like a boomerang. Peace to Jay for
Jay Park.
paving the way. Christian and Peng is changing the game.
Oh,
That's why
lovely.
he's taking it higher. Vanda's legacy never fades. Ay.
What did
I take peace to Jay for paving the way.
mean?
Christian and Peng is changing the game. Mass way is taking it higher. Vanda's legacy never fades. Ay. I keep all say old name. Ay. Pain more zen, but any change. Ay. We got the yin and yang and zang. I'm bringing the balance better than dollars. Keys to peace, the words we
This
got.
started off as so cool.
What you do it for? 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 It's me, Sasha go.
They know I do everything I do for my people.
That's Jay. Jay Park.
We feel like seafood. Okinawa power, that's why I never met my equal. I kept it real in Korea and real in Japan. Name whole way, yeah, that's the man. Your cousin and auntie, they probably my fan. Entrepreneurial move is the plan. Look, this song gon' dead in the go to 지겹겠지. Yeah. Married to the game.
I like he used a little bit of Korean there, but I would have loved the translation also.
Probably my fan.
For people who don't know the language.
Look, this song gon' dead in the go to 지겹겠지. Yeah. Married to the game, show no
Beat is fire, guys.
진정성, authenticity is something you can't buy. No matter how much pride, there's no lie. That's why they can't fuck with me. Compared to me, your rap is kawaii. Every song is as hot as Hawaii. Every stunt, that's when they defy. Hit me up, but they get no reply. Get no reply. I'm ghost, host with the most. Give them a hit and they turn to a fiend. And hype the scene and turn your screams.
What you do it for? What you do it for? What you do it for?
This is the transition, this hope.
What you do it for? What you do it for? What you do it for?
Oh, Krishna's gonna come. Chalo, let's go.
पूछो इनसे आया कौन जब टाइम मेरा आया तो पलट पाया काया कौन एक ही झलक में फर्क दिखे आया मॉन लगू फायर बॉन रो डीप लग लवाथन व्हाट यू डू इट फॉर आता धुएं को कमिंग थ्रू द डोर बोल अब तू है कौन रास्ते पे चल के करे तलवे लाल अब तलवे लाल जब ये जूते लू बताऊं शिमी शिमी ये शिमी या आई डोंट नो यू ain't familiar मैं सुरूर में हमेशा नरेश शमिया अपने देश को विदेश में भी पेश करने के नो करे तलवे
Only we would get that bar, na the Reshamia one. Come on, that was so cool. The Surur Aapka Surur. Oh, the
What you
amazing.
doing, Bora?
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This is just so. We were just craving for Krishna songs, and now it's here. And it starts with the collab, which is so cool. This is what I love to see. This is what I love to see. So many artists from different nationalities coming together and just bringing in their A game. Amazing.
अब तू है कौन रास्ते पे चल के करे तलवे लाल अब तलवे लाल जब ये जूते लू बताऊं शिमी शिमी ये शिमी या I don't know you you ain't familiar मैं सुरूर में हमेशा नरेश शमिया अपने देश को विदेश में भी पेश करने गया मेरे जैसे देखे मैंने बहुत आए गए जब मौत आए ओनली टाइम बहुत हाई गए पूछो तो इकलौता है ये मैन की बिग आर्म जैसे पॉप बॉय के
wow, nice. That was nice.
तो करता हूँ आराम से खेल बिन रन इन द गेम तो मुझे मैदान में मिल चीन कोरिया कंबोडिया में पहचानते स्किल जब ये थे 10 में तो माइक पे था देन कभी ना रोक पाए है भाई का ये पेन dollar sign repping the tricolor for my brothers tell them I love them back in my motherland
Yes. And I like how the after like when the verse is almost ending you can see the flag of each country like from where the artist is.
What you do it for? 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 What you do it for?
Ekta, unity.
China.
Oh no, so see now I would have wanted the translation. Oh man. Okay. I'm like totally vibing.
Higher brother 我们高度在大气层建立新的王朝老子是发起人 Popping 洛阳放着老子来掌舵
See now the flag, you can just see the flag in the end almost when the verse is about to end.
我生活是钢片我活得太干活这里卧虎藏龙你们可以去问李安拳头一直对外不让敌人穿过地盘 Shorty understand I got 汉堡帅是遗传 I put my city on the map 这是成都集团 What you do it for? 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 It's me sound shit go
Yeah I do it for Khmer
Oh Cambodia, okay.
Nhưng mình như chim chỉ Khmer
Nice.
Cả đời đây Khmer nhưng mà trôi trên tập bài Yeah I do it for Khmer Mình chẳng còn mình tích đai Yeah I'm taking what's mine I told you it's time I decolonize Đó chính mau represent để giúp chu hurricane nhập chập đầu oxygen vô anh này kia trong bao bào I'm now and I'm next I did it with lace I got pen in my chest nhưng hi chào để xâm bào Phải dắt nhưng men tết I do it again I take my revenge Chẳng lại chop lọc like sao I'm using my name I'm changing the game The rules ain't the same You bow down I got what I need
Wow.
But I want some
Oh, I like how in his verse there's this. Oh, I love that.
for my people That's who I do this I got what I need
I like the switch in his verse.
For the people That's who we do this for
This location is beautiful.
From the east, we coming deep. From the east, coming deep. From the east, coming deep.
Lovely.
Did I show you the video?
I need to check her music out. I would loved her. The way she starts off the song. That was amazing. Wow. Phenomenal. This is what I like to see. Love it. Love it. And love it. Okay. You know what I liked about the song the most is that everyone used a bit of their, like the English was there, but everyone used a bit of their country's language. That was just absolutely amazing. And it's executed so well because when you're having 5 artists from 5 different countries who are rapping in their own language, obviously you are not going to get the entendres that well because of the references. Now, when it comes to Krishna's rap, for example, me being an Indian, I know what it means, like the Reshamiya and the Surur and all of like those bars I would get because I know the pop culture references here. I wouldn't know the pop culture references, say what Avich. I don't know how. I'm sure I'm butchering the name. Avich. Anyway, so the entendres that she might have used or what Masive or Vanda and J Park. Okay, J Park, obviously the ones that he has rapped in English we know, but little bit of Korean that he incorporated there was no translation for that. But I loved it, phenomenal. And I'm just saying, obviously those references those are lost on me. So, but nonetheless, the collaboration, the execution of different languages in one 5.5 minute song was done really well, because it might, when that's what I was trying to say initially, that when you have so many artists who speak different languages and when you're trying to make a song, it needs to sound seamless. It needs to sound not odd. The transitions need to be smooth, and here that execution was done really well. Plus, just the way it kind of represents the unity, that message of unity, I love that the most here. I love to see these collabs because firstly it brings different talents together that I am not aware of, because say I know Krishna and J Park. That's why when I saw the title I was like, okay fine, I know these two, but who are the rest of the artists? So I get introduced to new talent as well, and I would love to check their music, like specifically the last now Avicii, definitely all of them, but Avicii and specifically Vanda, the rapper from Cambodia. I loved his cadence so much. The way his words, the way he switched it up, that was phenomenal. So you get introduced to newer artists and you might check out their music. Somebody from a different country who's watching this might think, okay, let me check out Krishna, he seems interesting, okay, let me check out his music. So that's how you get introduced to different cultures, different artists, and then you check out their music, then you check out more artists' music. So that is the cultural exchange through music that I absolutely love, that's why I always feel that we should not judge people basis their taste in music, because you don't know what a particular song means to that person. That's why I'm always so freaking open to listen to different kinds of music, because you never know whom you get introduced to, and then you completely do a deep dive and you go down that rabbit hole and you fall in love with that artist. It has happened to many of us, I'm sure. So this was amazing. I love this collaboration, everything about it. The music, okay. Big shout out to Diego because the production was fire. It was amazing. And we need more collaborations, like Asian artists collaborating. We need more of this energy. I absolutely freaking loved it. And just Krishna being part of this whole ensemble makes me so proud, because Krishna definitely is one of the best people to represent hip-hop from India, for sure. There's no doubt about that. So yeah, I'm gonna sign off now. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you've explored more music for any of these artists that I got introduced to today, please let me know your top 3 picks or top 5 picks of their particular songs that you definitely want me to listen to and you recommend. And yes, on that note, I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.